1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming out there from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Journey, Lights. And I'm just trying to show how we can play this in acoustic with regular chords, basically, instead of doing all that, that stuff. So we're just gonna use standard chords for the acoustic guitar, so we can jam this and sing it. All right, let's get to it. Song is in D. D major. 1, 2, 3. We got a B minor bar chord. Bar 2, 4, 4, 3. We also have, let's see, we got a C major, and that's the main chords for the verses. We have an A major in the very beginning before he starts singing. All right, let's check it out. So the intro is D, B minor, D to A major, and B minor, C. If you want to pick that, we'll just play it 3 times. Let's do that again. Intro. That's the intro, and that will never come back again. That's just one time. And then we have the main verses. D, B minor to C, D major, C, B to C, D, B minor to C, C, D, 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 3, 4, again. B minor to C, not the B minor, B, C, the big bridge. It starts on B minor to G to D, B minor, G to D, A, B minor, G to D, and it's gonna end with B, C, my strumming is basically just downstrokes with some picking. This. Going back to B minor again. Yeah, that's all the chords for the song. Alright, so let's review. Basically 3 parts. Intro, D major, B minor, D major, A minor, B minor, C, and D. And then all the main verses, D, B minor, C, D, B minor, C, and it always ends with B minor, C to D. And big bridge, B minor to G to D, B minor to G to D. I'm going to A. B minor, G to D. And with B, C, D. Awesome. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool stuff. Be safe. Take it easy.